Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is June 17th, 2021. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report, one of Timer Digest's top ranked market newsletters. You can see our honor roll there and our disclaimer there. Okay, also want to let you guys know about our subscription service. We've been in business here since 1997. You can see our annual and monthly subscription there. This is a rare during the market report because we're out of sorts here. We're out of town, but we're making do. Okay, you can see I'll be back on June 28th. By the way, I wanted to let you guys know we'll have a couple of exciting announcements for YouTube subscribers after my return. So look for something late June or early July regarding YouTube subscribers. A couple of announcements there, okay? Also, I want to thank you guys for supporting the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the reminder bell and the like button. We appreciate your patronage to the channel. Okay, this one's going to be quick, going to be a little bit different here. So we're going to look at the S&P and the NASDAQ. All those other things we'll get to when we're back in action in a normal setting. But this is the price target for the S&P. You can see we're looking for 5 completed waves from the March 4 of 2021 low. You can see we've got a 1 up, a 2 down, a 3 up, and a 4 down. You can see wave 5 at least is 4/5 complete. You can see within this wave 5, we get a 42.98 target, and on the larger wave 5, that's the one with the parentheses, we get a 43.27 target. For what it's worth, this 5 got higher than this wave 3 over here. So for minimum requirements, 5 being higher than 3, they have been met. That's why there's a possibility that the all-time high is in with the most recent move to all-time highs on June, I believe it was the 14th. So this is our projection as far as price is concerned. We want to let you guys know about the time element here. So let me get into the S&P with time, and here's that hourly bar from the previous all-time high on May 7th. You can see our Fibonacci spiral sequence. Our time spiral has caught virtually every turning point with 0 slippage. Okay, the first one on 5/7, we're looking at the first turn date was 5/12, hit it, that is the wave A low. Okay, and then the next one in the sequence is 5/15, that was on a weekend, so it hit it on 5/17, and then the next one was 5/20. There was a low the day before on the 19th and a high the day after on the 21st. So the S&P did about the only thing it could do is split the difference and had a 1-day slippage between the low and the high. So it basically caught them both and, like I said, split the difference. The next one was 5/28, and that marked the lunar eclipse on June 1st. That was a holiday weekend, so it had 1 trading day of slippage. And the next one was June 10th, and you know we have an all-time high on the 15th. That's 3 trading days of slippage. And from that high, with yesterday's action, we had a 1 down, a 2 up, and then a 3 down, which equaled a 2.618 of 1. The next turn date in the sequence is July 1st, and we're counting this as an expanded flat, meaning A is down here, B is above the start of A, so C would gain equality with A at 40.75 and a 1.618 relationship at 39.63. There's still a chance that this could go higher. We'll have to watch the smaller wave counts, 5 and 10 and 1 minute bars for that. Okay, we want to get into the NASDAQ here. Let's see what we have on the NASDAQ. There is the all-time high going back to April 29th, and this one has 0 slippage for a long time. The first turn date 5/4, bang, direct hit. Next one May 7th, bang, direct hit. Next one May 12th, another bang and direct hit. And here is that same plus or minus 1 day with a high and a low right in between the turn date of 5/20. We had a low on the 19th, a high on the 21st. I chose to put it here. I could have put it on the 21st. The next one, June 2nd, we had a high on the 1st and a low on the 3rd. So we put it on the 1st. That had a slippage of 1 day. There it is there, the 6-2. The next turn date is June 23rd. And we have a note here that June 23rd, as long as this all-time high holds, I think it's at 14,211 on April 29th, then that 55-day turn date could possibly mark a panic or a spike low. Doesn't have to. If there would be a crash, well, there's no guarantee, but if there would, that would be the time for it to happen. It could just mark the wave C low, which would be a little bit lower than the wave A here. You can see C gains equality with A at 12,964. C is a 1.618 multiple at 12,214 and a 2.618 multiple at 11,001. So we'll have to watch this here, see how this plays out. You can see April 29th is our make or break for this count. And as long as this B wave high holds, we're looking for a wave C down at a minimum lower than the wave A low. That's what we have for today. It's a real short one. And until next time, take care, everyone.